I'm going to make this short and sweet. So you keep on having a dream where you live now and it's rotten, old, and broken. And then you go inside and you see it's your childhood home. This is not from any dream interpretation book or anything like this. This is me dropping in and tapping into and tuning into exactly what is going on with you. So when I feel into the dream, the first thing that I sense is actually another common dream symbol that shows up, which is people's teeth falling out. And so as I leaned into the feeling and felt it even more, what is occurring for you is you have an overriding sense that where you came from and the way that you grew up, or certain things about your childhood and or your status, like where you went to school and things like that, that people are judging you for that. There's also this pervasive feeling or underlying feeling of people are going to think I'm not good enough because of where I came from. If you've ever watched the show The Good Place, how, oh my gosh, I can't remember her name right now, but the main character, she always talks about how she's like just an Arizona trash bag and came from bad circumstances. I don't know that you exactly came from bad circumstances, but it feels that there's people around you who either directly or indirectly are judging you for the circumstances that you came from, and that you're judging yourself, and that you have these feelings of, oh, this is what I came from, and how can I amount to something when I came from that? The fact of the matter is, the past is the past. Your past is your past. If you're letting others judge you or yourself judge you based on what happened, it's not going to help you to move forward. So what I want you to do is really lean into the past is in the past. Do whatever you need to root into and ground into the present. If you need me to make another video about that, let me know about grounding into the here and now. Because you are here and now, you can make your life moving forward better, more positive, more good. But you have to stop judging yourself, either because of your feelings about your past or the people around you, their feelings about you. Their feelings about you, it's BS. It doesn't matter. It's just an opinion. And the more that you let either their opinion of you judge you, or your feeling about, oh, I came from such and such, I must not be that good, that is going to keep you imprisoned in a very unpleasant and unhappy place. The lotus flower rises out of the mud. Your soul came into the early life circumstances that you came into so that you can rise out of it and let the next part of your life be a blossoming, a blooming, a transformation. So the past does not have to define you. It does not predict where you're going. You're going better places. Have so much compassion and love and kindness and self-acceptance for what has been. But I wouldn't spend a lot of time looking at it right now. I'd spend a lot of time loving yourself, a lot of time appreciating yourself, a lot of time doing whatever you need to do to detach yourself from the opinions and the feelings of others, and just move forward and keep on telling yourself that it's getting better and better. Things are going to be better and better for you. You're in the blooming stage of your life. You may have grown up in the mud and the dirt, but now you're in the growth phase, the blossoming phase. So humble beginnings, or even kind of rocky beginnings, that's okay. Your beginning is not your end. You're headed for great things, but you must stay rooted in appreciation and acceptance of yourself. Wishing you all the best.